Hello students. In last lecture we discussed about adjectives, the describing words. In this lecture we shall study about the types of various adjectives. Adjectives are the qualifying words or describing words. They describe or say something more about some other names. They qualify some other names. They always come before the qualifying noun. Now, kinds of adjectives. First kind, adjective of quality. Adjective of quality means kind or type of the noun. The adjective which says something more about quality, type or kind of the noun is called adjective of quality. What quality of the noun it is described by that adjective. Adjective of quality, it shows something more about the noun that it qualifies. For example, Lakshmi Bai was a brave queen. What is the quality of the queen? Brave. Brave is the quality of the queen. Queen is the noun, name, queen the word, naming word, brave the word, describing word, brave queen. What type of queen? Brave queen. So brave says something more about quality of the queen. So brave adjective is the adjective of quality. Second, she has a small house to live. House is the naming word of place, noun. Small, what type? Small, big, large, small, like that. Small shows the quality of the house. So it is an adjective. It is the adjective of quality. House is the name or noun qualified by the adjective small. Small house. The word small says something more about the quality of the house. Small is describing word, adjective of quality. Similarly, Monica is a beautiful girl. What type of girl? Beautiful girl. The quality of the girl, beautiful. So beautiful is an adjective of quality. It qualifies the noun girl. Says something more about noun girl. Comes before it, beautiful girl. Now, adjectives of quantity. Quantity, how much? Answer to question, how much? The adjective of quantity shows the quantity of the name or noun it qualifies. The adjective of shows the quantity about a person, place or thing, quantity of noun. Give me some water. Water is a noun. It is a material noun. How much water? Some water. So some shows the quantity of the water. Give me some water to drink. Some water. Some is the adjective of quantity. What is the noun qualified by the adjective some? Water is a noun, material noun. They have enough money to spend for luxury. Money is a noun. How much money? Enough money. So enough shows the quantity of money. So it is the adjective of quantity. Enough is the naming word. Money is the naming word, sorry. Enough is the describing word. Enough, the describing word, shows the quantity of naming word money. So enough money, enough says something more about money. Enough is the adjective of quantity. Third one, there is a lot of water in the lake. How much? Lot of. Water is the material noun, lot of water, the quantity. The next type, third type of adjective is the adjective of number. The adjective of number shows the number of the noun. It qualifies. For example, that rich man has 5 cars. How many cars? 5 cars. So cars is a naming word, the noun. 5 is a describing word, the adjective. It shows the number of the cars. So it is the adjective of number. All numbers, when followed by names, will become the adjective of numbers. 2 wings, million stars, 5 brothers, 10 students. When the number is followed by a name which it describes, the number itself becomes the adjective of number. A spider has 8 legs. Legs is a noun, naming word. 8 is a describing word. It is a number. 8 qualifies, says something more about legs. 8 legs. So 8 is the adjective of number. Similarly, a rainbow is made of 7 colors. Color is a naming word, color. 7 colors. 7 is a number. How many colors? 7 colors. So the describing word 7 is the adjective of number. It qualifies the word colors, says something more about 7 colors. So adjective of number shows something about the number of the word, name. Now, demonstrative adjectives. Now, pay attention. Demonstrate means to show something, exhibit, to show something. Demonstration, display. There are 2 demonstrative adjectives and one more such. This, that, these and those. When these adjectives are followed by names, they show this is a book. Demonstrate. Demonstrative adjective. that is a wall. So, this for nearer things, that for farther things, singular in number. Singular means only one. This and that are used for singular objects or things. This for nearer thing and that for farther thing. Now, this more than one. These are the pages of book. So for nearer things more than one, we use the plural of this. This is the plural form of the demonstrative adjective this. This is a book. These are its pages. So for demonstrative adjective this, there are two forms, singular and plural. Similarly, for farther things, that is a boy playing in the playground, demonstrate, show something away, that, and if more than one, those boys are playing in the ground happily. So this has plural form this and that has plural form those. So here there is an important point to be kept in mind that in English language all the adjectives except these two, this and that, have same form of singular or plural. For example, small house, small houses. There was a small house near the garden. Small house, singular, small used for it. There were many small houses near the station. Small houses. In English language, there are only two adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, that have different forms of singular and plural. All other adjectives have same form of either singular or plural names that they qualify. So this is an important point to be kept in mind. Among all adjectives, only this and that have plural forms this and those respectively. All other adjectives have the same form for singular or plural. Thus, dear students, we have learned about some types of adjectives: adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, and demonstrative adjective. In demonstrative adjective, we noted an important point that only two demonstrative adjectives, this and that, have different forms of singular and plural All other adjectives have the same form of singular or plural. They do not change their forms. So, dear students, try to practice them and learn properly. Thank you.